welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a puffy slime video. And before I forget, my friend Peyton is here today with us. Hi. She's going to help us make some puffy slime. Fluffy slime. Fluffy, but I thought it was puffy.
Oh, I don't want to go.
Okay, so now yours is not going to be this big unless you want it to be. I just combined all my fluffy slimes together. Alright, so what you'll need is Elmer's glue. You do not need this big container. I just got it for an early Christmas gift. Elmer's white glue. Shaving cream. Make sure it's the puffy kind. You can get these two shaving creams
At Dollar General, too.
You can get it probably at a gas station, Walmart, whatever ones you're closest near to. You'll need paint. Unless if you have food coloring, but I recommend paint. And Tide. And okay, so you'll need Tide. And I'm just gonna take off those flip flops. Alright. So that's what all you'll need. It's a pretty easy slime. You should have Tide if you do laundry. Hopefully you do. You probably can get white glue if you like.
You can also use borax water.
Yeah, borax water, but I recommend Tide. It's really easy to find the borax. And don't forget about that puffy shaving cream. So, and you'll also need a bowl and a mixing tool. So first what you do is get the glue and slowly pour it in, unless you want a whole lot. So then after you pour the glue in, make sure you shake up the shaving cream. Turn napkin.
Never mind.
Alright, just keep one near you. Okay. Alright. So, you shake up the shaving cream really well.
Put enough shaving cream until when you mix it, it becomes a creamy, like creamy.
It's kind of like marshmallow fluff. If you don't know what marshmallow fluff is, look it up.
Look it up.
Just look it up. Okay, so after it starts looking like marshmallow fluff, it should like go down really fast. Maybe a little slow. Okay, so after you do that, get some Tide. Yes, I poured it in this time. You pour a little bit in at a time. So when it starts coming together, when you lift it up with a spoon, all of it shouldn't go up yet, but like it should go down really slow. Then it comes out like really fast after you lift it up. So then whenever it starts becoming like that, go dip your fingers in the Tide, then go in with your hands. What'd you do?
No, finally said, alright, I'll see you later.
Shh. Harry.
Oh
Alright.
my god.
Sorry about the background. I live in a family of 6.
And we had Gary issues.
Alright. So then you start kneading it.
I think you need some
Does
Flour?
Flour, girl.
Baking soda?
flour. Use some.
Okay. So ignore the background noise. And let's begin. So after you start kneading it, it stops sticking to your hands. See, it's not stuck to my hands. And it's really stretchy. Time to add the color. Alright. So, what you do when you add the color, we're going to clash way out. Shh. So, when you add the color, you lay it flat on the floor, but make sure it's make sure your floor is clean, number one, and make sure it's still fluffy. So let me flip it now. Now it's too not. Okay, so now you gotta get your color with paint or food coloring. Squirt it in the middle. And then you start kneading the color in. Oh.
Sorry, I ate beans today.
Kayla, shut! So it's starting to become blue.
Teal?
Teal.
Mine's not working. Okay, mine worked. Then I have to
Yeah,
work.
there's going to be a lot of editing in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy my editing. I never got to edit in my old videos. So I'm so glad I got to edit. And just ignore the background noise, please. So she's adding her colors right now.
And by the way, that wasn't us farting, because it wasn't even farts. It was somebody blowing on their arm. Just letting you know.
And just ignore the background noise, please. Family of 6 here.
But
But
I'm not
only
her
like,
family. I'm just her best friend.
but only like one of them's the loudest one. And yeah.
The one that keeps interrupting.
So as you already read in my editing parts that I wrote on, don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. And if you want to, comment down below what you want me to do next time. So I'll do all the DIYs you guys ask me to do, unless I can't get the stuff.
Like homemade bath bombs, you have to have like fancy stuff. We tried that before. It didn't really work.
Nope, because we use minion things. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I did my editing, I wrote, don't forget to subscribe, leave thumbs up and everything. So, and don't forget to comment down below about what you want me to do next time.
Bye.
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 Out.
We'll edit that out.